Hey, guess what, man? I get two friends here from San Francisco. These guys are awesome high-tech people. You can see that? Huh? The best high-tech people in the world, right over here. And who's the greatest chef?
Man in the Pan!
Oh yeah, big shout out, Man in the Pan! Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I get something real special. I have a special guest who's going to cook for you. You got a color speed, you now. He works here at KTA. He's faster than knife. He's a fast cook, but he's slow with the women. You get girlfriend yet? No more yet?
Not yet.
Oh my goodness. Okay, Speed. Come on, what you going to do today?
Miso pork stir fry.
Okay, so how you made this miso pork? I see you had them stoked already. You got about how many pounds of pork?
For pound and a half.
Pound and a half pork. How much miso?
4 ounces.
About quarter cup miso.
Yeah.
And you put about what, 1 tablespoon of sugar.
Yeah, about that, and maybe 2 tablespoons of the mirin. Yeah.
And that's it. You soak them over at least 6 hours. Don't do so, yeah. I see you put oil in there. What kind of oil?
A little bit sesame oil.
You can handle this pan or what? You sure? You boy, yes, and then you go hand. This one, a Man in the Pan. Okay, yeah. I'm not gonna say hot. You get them on high heat with sesame oil, and you dump them in there and stir them around. What do you think of this pan? Huh?
Good.
Think about Speed. That guy quiet there. You go fishing there.
No, I don't know.
Hold on.
Too busy.
Busy doing what?
Working.
Ha! You say too busy working. Hey, so how that girl Missy? Awesome, man. And I see even like Stuart, that guy's there awesome. You know, this pan there is like real awesome. Right? You get down already there, yeah?
Yeah, nothing sticky.
Nothing sticking, and you know, easy to wash. I'm gonna show you how to wash it, but you go wash them, and you're gonna see how easy it is. Come on, these May is Mother's Day. Hey, Speed Mom. Speed, like tell you Happy Mother's Day. Right? Okay. Awesome. So, Speed, what kind of pork you use?
Chopped pork.
You can use chicken with this too, right? It's gonna be pork, right? Okay, then what you get? Chopped suey vegetable.
Yeah.
2 packets.
2 packages.
2 packets chopped suey vegetable. You can use like frozen stir-fried vegetable, whatever you like.
Yeah.
What Speed? Almost done.
Almost done.
Yeah. How you get that one finished?
When the vegetables kind of shrink a little bit.
Because you know, like the thing too, like kind of soft, no, so you like a little bit crispy,
A little bit crunchy.
little bit crunchy.
Yeah.
Oh man, the burger smell. Oh no. Oh,
Pork stir fry.
miso pork stir fry. Whoo, hot. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Oh, Speed. The burger owner. Miso pork stir fry. Mmm. Mmm. Until next week, Lucille, a Man in a Pan, invite him back again. This guy is awesome. Let's big shout out. See you. Aloha.
Right.